Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to take a look at this Worx 4-volt cordless screwdriver. Bang Good sent me this item for free so I can make this video showing it to you. They also gave me a promo code for the item, so I'll have a link down below. You can pick it up for just $32.99 with the promo code. But let's take a look at it and give it a little test. Starting off, we're in a handy dandy plastic case. Little latches here. We have the screwdriver, which weighs about 10 ounces. See, it has forward and reverse. You have little LED lights on the front. You have a 1/4-inch hex magnetic bit holder. You have your 3 torque settings. Charges with USB. Little door at the bottom, and it is a USB-C charger. Comes with the cable with the regular USB-A end on it. It's 250 RPM. And these little lights at the bottom also function as kind of a charge indicator when you're charging up the item. So we'll give that a test here in a second. Some of the accessories you get is a bunch of bits, and you actually get hex, square, Torx, slotted, Phillips. So a little bit of everything, and they're even color coded with the little rings. Make it nice and easy. You also get one longer Phillips bit, and you get your magnetic bit holder over here. Great way to speed up some everyday tasks, especially if it's something repetitive. Doing some outlet covers. Even doing the outlets themselves behind there, or switches, switch covers. Switches, outlets, they're all the same. See what we can do with one of those hinge screws there. Yeah, it worked pretty good. Hold on. You can also run it manually. You can make quick work of taking apart electronic devices. Well, there you have it, guys. A quick look at the Worx 4-volt cordless screwdriver. If you're interested, there will be the link down below. And through the end of July, you can get it for $32.99. Thanks for watching.